Let's talk about the latest launched SPARX smartphone Neo 8 Plus in Pakistan. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.745 inches HD plus waterdrop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel camera for selfies. It has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 12 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.64 by 77.37 by 7.95 mm. The color options: glitter gold, champagne gold colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The SPARX Neo 8 Plus has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 25,499 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this SPARX Neo 8 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.